A sign-in failure on the Ibotta app usually happens when your login session doesn't match the app's current server version after an update or password change. By the end of this, you'll know the exact reasons sign-in fails, how to fix it step by step, and what to check if the app keeps rejecting your login even when your password is correct. Start with the most common cause. The app is holding on to an outdated login session. This happens when you haven't fully closed the app for a while or it updated in the background. The fix is simple. Force close the app, reopen it, and try signing in again so it rebuilds a fresh session from scratch. If that doesn't work, reset your login completely. Use the "forgot password" option and set a new password through email. This matters because even a correct password can fail if the session token stored on your device is no longer valid. Next, check for app version mismatch. If you're running an older version of the app, the login request may not match the current server requirements. Updating the app or reinstalling it forces everything to sync again, including authentication systems that control sign-in or out. Another common issue is network interference. A weak connection or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data during login can interrupt authentication halfway. That leaves the app stuck rejecting credentials even if they are correct. Switching to a stable connection and trying again often clears this immediately. You should also check if your account is being flagged for security verification. This can happen after logging in from a new device or location. In that case, the app may require email confirmation before allowing access again. If you skip that step, sign-in will keep failing no matter what you enter. If everything looks correct, and it still won't let you in, a full reinstall is usually the final reset. It clears corrupted login data and forces a clean authentication process when you sign back in. Here's the summary. First, most sign-in failures come from outdated sessions or cached login data. Second, password resets and app updates fix most authentication mismatches. Third, reinstalling or switching networks resolves deeper sync issues. If you want the fastest fix, start with force close, then password reset, then reinstall only if needed. Subscribe for more fixes for cashback apps and common login issues that actually work.